Hey friends, how's it going and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to be trying TikTok viral makeup hacks. I'm going to be doing a full face of them. So these are all makeup hacks that have gone completely viral, have millions of views, and they're just really creative and I just want to see if they work. So just a quick disclaimer before I start this video. I'm not 100% sure who started each hack or trend, but if you know who started the hack or the trend, then feel free to comment their usernames down below because I'd love to be able to give credit. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to be trying the viral blush hack. You've probably seen this all over TikTok. A million people have done it, but I'm going to give it a try. In the video, she uses like a liquid red lipstick. I don't actually know if I own one, and if I did, it would be matte, so it would be really fast drying. So I'm going to use, where did I put it? This one here. This is the Maybelline matte lipstick in the shade Craving Coral. I'm going to have to work fast with this because it is matte, so it's going to dry pretty fast, but I just feel like a creamy formula is going to be easier to blend than like a matte liquid lip. She just swipes it where you would put your blush and then she just blends it out, and you are going to look pretty sunburnt to begin with. And I mean, I live in Australia, so I'm like sunburnt most of the time anyway, but yeah. So this is what the red looks like. It's very intense. I used to be all about red lipstick. Oh my gosh, it feels so wrong. Okay, then to blend it out, I'm going to be using this brush here. So, oh my gosh, it's already like drying on me. I'm also a little bit worried this might stain my skin. So I'm bringing it up just a little bit past my eyebrow. Okay, this is what we're looking like. It's actually not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Okay, so now she's adding a concealer under the eyes and also under the blush. So I'm going to do that. So the concealer I'm using is the Rimmel London Lasting Matte Concealer in the shade Porcelain. And so I'm just going to go under my eyes and a bit further, and then I just do it like down here. They use a like flat foundation brush to blend that, so I'm going to do the same. Okay, just like that I think. I look ridiculous right now. So then they're going in with a cream contour, and the only cream contour I have is by Crayolan. It's actually a foundation, but I have a pretty dark shade in here, so I'm going to be using that. So going in with the same brush. Okay, and then I think we just blend that out. So I'm going to blend this out quickly and then do the other side. Okay, oh my gosh, I look so silly. I'm going to do the other side. I'm not going to worry about the nose too much because there is another hack I want to try. Okay, this is what we're looking like. I feel very crazy right now. But then she just goes in with the foundation, so I'm just going to do that. I'm a little bit worried you're not even going to see the blush through the foundation. Oh my gosh, I actually love the finish of this. I mean, under my eyes is a little bit weird because it's like very pale and then you've just got the straight blush. So yeah, I don't know. I'm a little bit self-conscious of that because like growing up in high school, my cheeks always did that. Like I'd get very red and then under my eyes would be very pale. So
no, 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 no.
It's kind of bringing me flashbacks. But other than that, I actually really like it. Like you can still see a bit of the blush. I might turn my lights down a little bit so it's easier to see. So I've just brought my lighting down a little bit to try and show you, but it looks very natural, very soft, not too like cakey. I actually really like it. I'm so surprised because I really don't like foundation and I don't like cream products, so Yeah, I'm really surprised on this one. Okay, so now we're going to try 2 contouring hacks that I've seen. The first one is by NikkieTutorials, and we're going to do a nose contour.
Take the bronzer on a brush, and literally what you start doing is bronze your entire nose from tip all the way to the bridge. It's going to look like a mess right now, but trust me, we will pull through. Okay, now here's the trick. You take your face powder and a dry beauty blender, and you're gonna snatch the sides. The more you bring this in, the smaller your nose is gonna look. So we're gonna make this as big as you like. Like literally, look how small that looks already. Don't forget the bridge. You wanna make that nice and light as well. Boo! Take a big face breath, oh my God, English, what even is it? And start buffing all of this out until it's soft. Some highlighter to just the tip and the bridge, and you're done.
So I know I already did a little bit, but you honestly can't even see, so I'm just gonna ignore that I even did that. I'm gonna be using this palette. This is the Revolution Roxy Contour and Highlight palette. So she goes in with like a flat, like a fluffy brush. I'm gonna use my normal contouring brush, and I'm just gonna go in, and she basically just does all over her nose. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just go all over the top of your nose like that. And then she uses a dry beauty blender. So I've got that here, and then a loose powder. So I'm gonna dip in to my loose powder, and I'm just gonna go in inside my nose. So that's what it's looking like. And then she puts a tiny bit on the bridge of her nose. And then she's using a small brush and a highlighter and just doing the bridge. And the tip of her nose. Okay, that's what it's looking like. Personally, I'm not really a fan. I like the way I usually do it. I feel like my nose is just like this is a side-on view of my nose. It's very like just thick at the top. Yeah, I just feel like this would work if you have a naturally skinny nose. But the way I usually do it is I get my contour and then I just take a bit and just draw it where I want it. Then I do a little bit under my nose, and that's basically all I do. And I just feel like it works better for the shape of my nose. So this next hack is to do the contour on your jaw. And basically she uses a makeup brush and uses it as like a guide, and then you get like a really nice clean crisp line. So we're gonna try it. I need my contour back out, and basically we're just gonna hold this here and just draw a line like that. And then I'm just gonna try and blend that. Okay, that actually did kind of work. Like you get a very sharp line rather than having to go in with your beauty blender and then a powder. So I'm gonna do the other side. So that's what it's looking like. I actually really like that. I might try that more often. But yeah, that's what my face is looking like. I still can't get over my under eyes. I just feel like they look way too light and it's throwing me off. Also, this cut is like so obvious. Okay, so the next hack is to do our eyebrows with an eyelash curler. So I have this really old eyelash curler that I like never use. So we're gonna use this. Oh, I've got so much makeup in my eye. And usually I use an eyebrow pencil, but I'm gonna be using this eyebrow palette. It's by Crown. And then I think she goes this way, so it's really hard to see because I can't see out of this eye now. I don't even know if this is my color. Oh my gosh. Okay, these are gonna be very bold, I can already tell. Okay, then she uses the arch of it to do the arch. That actually fits pretty well. Oh my gosh. That I'm so low. That's like not even following my natural brow. Am I like, maybe mine's too curved? Okay, I think that's a little bit better. And it just does the same for the top. Again, I can't see out of this eye now. I mean, it gives you a rough guide, but that is not looking the best. So that's a rough shape that it's giving me. I'm just gonna fill that in. Okay, so it gives you a very thick eyebrow. So yeah, that's what it's looking like. That's with product, that's with no product. I also just really don't like using powder. I prefer my eyebrow pencil, but if you really struggle doing your eyebrows, this could possibly help you. I do actually have a video on my channel of really simple 5-minute eyebrows. So if you do struggle doing your eyebrows, check out that video. I'll leave it in the description. Yeah, I just feel like my way is so much easier than trying to maneuver this thing, and I literally can't see through this when it's in front of my eyes. So yeah, I don't know, I'm 50-50 on this one. Okay, so the next hack is an eyeliner hack. And apparently this is meant to make putting your eyeliner on like 3 seconds long. So we're gonna try it. So instead of drawing like the start of your wing out and then joining it back in, apparently you flick the eyeliner pencil over, and since it's like a triangle shape, you just sort of like stamp it on. Yeah, you'll see what I mean.
Okay guys, this eyeliner hack changed the game for me. Grab your favorite felt tip liner, and instead of flicking it out like this, turn it around and just drag it in for that initial line, and then you honestly just have to fill it in. This took like 3 swipes and it was so simple, so easy.
I have hooded eyes. I don't know if this is gonna work for my hooded eyes, but we're gonna just see. Basically, like, she makes it look so easy, but like I don't even know how to hold the eyeliner. Okay, I mean, it is a wing. Oh my gosh, that's so clever. Hopefully you can see. But that has actually created a wing. It's a pretty small wing, but you could probably experiment with it and make it bigger. Yeah, I'm gonna draw like the rest of my eyeliner. My eyeliner is also drying out a lot, so it's not gonna be the best application I've ever done. Okay, so that's what it's looking like. I'm actually really like, why have I never thought of doing this? Like, that's actually like neater than some of the eyeliner I do freehand. Oh my gosh, mind blown, honestly. If you're starting out with eyeliner, this is such a good trick. So we're gonna do the other eye. I feel like this, because I'm right-handed, this eye is gonna be easier because I can just hold the pen normally. But basically you just kind of stamp it. Like that. Okay, that one was a little bit chunkier, but I mean, considering it took me like a few seconds, I think that's pretty good. And you could of course clean it up with concealer if you wanted to. But if you're not into like huge wings, I think this is a really good hack. So next we're gonna move on to mascara. Now, it's not really a hack to begin with, but this mascara, I highly, highly, highly recommend it. It's the L'Oreal Paris Telescopic Extra Black Extreme Lengthening Mascara. And honestly, this is the best mascara I've ever used. Obviously not sponsored or anything, this is just my opinion. But oh my gosh, I love this mascara. So not really a hack, but if you're looking for a new mascara, I definitely recommend this one. The first hack is to back comb, which I'll show you how to do. It'll also be on the video that I'm showing.
So instead of doing what you typically do, which is going in at the root, jiggling, and then go out, you're actually going to back comb the lashes downwards towards the root of the lash. And then after you've done that, you're going to jiggle the wand and then go upwards and out.
What I assume he's doing is going on top of your lashes and flicking it up. I have done this before, and it's a little bit hard if you have shorter, straight eyelashes. So I like to do a little bit of back combing, and then I find it easier flick them back up after you've done that. I also find it easy if you like blink into it. This mascara is just amazing. Like, I honestly just wear this instead of fake lashes these days. It just makes my eyelashes look so thick and curly. So the final hack we're going to do today is a lipstick hack, and it's basically to make it look like you've had lip filler. So we're going to give it a try. Okay, so she used a lipstick to line her lips. I'm actually going to use a lip pencil. So I'm going to go in, and she said to overline. So this is going to be tricky, but I'm just going to try and overline the best that I can. Okay, my bottom lip is very overlined at the moment. Oh my gosh, I feel like I look crazy. Okay, so then she uses a dark eyeshadow to line. So I'm just going to use any dark eyeshadow that I have. And I'm going to be using another angled brush. Okay, now we're going to fill it in with a lipstick. And then hopefully it looks similar to hers. I'm very doubtful though. But let's see. Okay, what do we think? Why am I kind of into it? I have a top lip when I smile now. Oh my god. I'm so into this. Definitely try this one. I really like this. My lips have never looked this big, I swear. And I'm too chicken to get lip filler, so this is perfect. This is a good compromise. I'm gonna set my face with some setting spray because I got a lot of product and I don't want it to like slide off. A lot of setting spray to cover a lot of product. How are we looking? Let's move that out the way to just focus on my face. Okay, so this is the final look. Guys, look at my lips. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you subscribe. Hit that little bell icon down below to get notified every time that I post. Like this video, comment down below, tell me what you thought of this, and I will see you all next week with another video. Bye!
I'm kinda lonely on this Wednesday night.